What's your name? My name's Matthew. And I can dance really good. You want to watch me? I guess that's a no? You know what else I can do? I meant I can whistle, not summon birds. What the heck? I didn't even whistle this time. Why is it happening?